What is going on, guys? Welcome to our channel. So today I am getting my dream car. I won a 2017 Audi A7 and it is being delivered today. I got the car last Friday. Today is Thursday. Got it shipped out Monday. It was a holiday weekend, but they were still able to get it shipped. So it is supposed to be here really soon. We're right here at the Kohl's parking lot. We have enough of space right here. So right here, as you can see, there's like a bunch of space. Hopefully he can unload it. He's actually got 4 cars total that he has to unload, and my car is at the very end. So he's got to unload all the cars, take out my car, and then load them back on. So very excited. He should be here any minute. He called us about 15 minutes ago, which was 15 minutes ago. And yeah, really excited. It has light damage. It's got just like driver's side damage, so the door and the fender may be back door, maybe, but I'm not sure. Crossing my fingers, hoping it's not, but if it is, then you may know it is what it is. But the car starts, has low miles, only 16,000 miles. Salvage title though. The original value on this car is like 80,000. I was able to pick it up for a really good price. Be sure to watch the video till the end to see how much I picked it up for. So it was a really good price. Yeah, so I think I'll be able to repair the whole thing myself. I mean, knowing that it's just body damage, door and a fender, that's easy. It's not like a quarter panel or engine, so I think I should be able to do that myself. Yeah, so hopefully I can do it pretty quick. Sell my Audi A4. So if anybody's in the market for a 2014 Audi A4, has about 71,000 miles. It'll be up for sale pretty soon. So hit me up. I am over here in Denver, Colorado. And then we also have another project that's also coming in today. I'm gonna let Vlad share the project. That is his car that he got. Also a very nice car. We actually got it from the same auction, same Copar auction. So yeah, that one's coming in today too. Same truck. Here's Vlad.
What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We are waiting for the A7, as Vitaly said, and waiting for my Mercedes C300 with the horrible front end damage.
Who knows? It might be good. But both cars start. His is a 2015 Mercedes C300, correct?
Yeah, it's W205 2015 model with 24,000 miles on it.
Nice.
25 actually, yeah.
Nice. So what's the damage in your car?
It's a front end damage on the right side. Hopefully it will be good, but I think it's damage on the frame somewhere. I don't know. We'll see. We'll need to take it out, take it apart.
Yep. Cool. So yeah, should be here soon. Any minute now. It looks like I'll need a back door too.
Back door too? Really?
Yep.
Oh shoot. Oh yeah, you need one. Congrats.
Yep. So there's damage on the back door. I need that too. How's the back? The back looks good.
The front.
The wheels look scuffed.
Then you need probably uncontrolled things.
Yeah, just do it in your room.
This is good though, right? Oh, this is fine. Yeah.
It's got a little
I want
scratch.
to open the door. This is easy. This is we opened a couple times.
Huh?
They opened it a bunch of times.
Yeah.
Just kind of rolled it in.
Yes, they did.
This is nice.
It looks sweet though. Beautiful looking car though. Looks like it's got some damage here too. The bumper. Some damage there, but yeah, I think it might be repainted.
Good. You put it? We'll help you.
I can help you.
It's cold.
Ah. Okay. There you go. Okay, it's better.
You're good.
Like it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's good. Oh, okay. Let's put it. That one?
Put it aside.
Oh, no. That. Go ahead, you're good. Straight. Straight.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. Is the other one good?
Yeah, let me go check it.
Okay. Oh yeah, that one needs to. It's close.
This is super good.
They don't lock?
Yeah?
Just go slowly, I'll tell you if it's good. Okay, go slowly. Okay, you're good. You're good. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Perfect. Alright guys, so here it is. It's on the floor, on the ground. Here's what it looks like. Started up, right up, didn't have to jump it. It's looking good. This is the guy that bought it for me. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you enjoy it when you fix it.
Oh, it's looking good inside. So here's what it looks like front. You got like a front camera right there. It looks pretty loaded. I think it's pretty clean as far as body. It doesn't look too bad. The back looks clean.
You know what's nice?
What?
Not one single light on.
Not a single light.
Not a single light.
Dang.